Alright guys, so we're here with the first glow up of the year and we're here doing a full face of Fenty Beauty. I am super excited to be doing this video. So yeah, all these products were purchased by me with my own coins. I wish it was sponsored, but it's not, sis. So the first thing we're going to do is my brows. I love this MVP eyebrow pencil. I love that they included the brush on here. It's an actual brush for your brows instead of a spoolie. I really love that concept and I thought it was very unique. So this is not a brow tutorial. I'm just showing you guys what I do with my brows, and I'm just outlining the top and bottom brow, and then I go in towards the end of the brow and fill it in like towards the tail section, and in the front I like to mimic my brow hairs and create like hair-like strokes because I love a sculpted brow, but then I love a natural brow as well. So combining the two gives you just that. So we're going in with the concealer, and this concealer is Bomb-Made App, y'all. It's bomb. This is in the shade 385, and I'm going to use this concealer to help me sculpt my brows or clean it up or whatever you want to say. This is the Morphe M165 brush, and this has like a slanted angle on it, and it really helps when I'm trying to create that, you know, arch that I don't have. So we're going to go ahead and blend out this concealer. Oh, and about the pencil, I love that the pencil was very precise. It was easy to work with, and it wasn't smudging all over the place because I hate when eyebrow pencils be doing that. So we're going to go ahead and blend that out using my BH Cosmetic. I just used that brush to blend it out. I don't think it's a blender brush. A blender brush. I don't even know what it's called, but yeah. So I'm going to go back in with that brow pencil and use the brush end to blend out the front of my brows because I do not like boxy brows. So now we're going to go in with moisturizer. In the wintertime, I have extremely dry skin, so I OD on it. I wish I actually remembered that I had this primer because I didn't think the primer was going to be that good, y'all. I didn't. It's a hydrating primer, and let me tell you guys, it is bomb.com. It serves two purposes for me. It moisturizes your skin and then it primes it. I was like, whoa, sis. I was like, why did I put all that Pond's on? I didn't need it. It does have a slight smell to it, so if you guys are not into smells, it doesn't stink. It smells elegant, okay? But yeah. So now we're going in with the Pro Filter Longwear Foundation. It's hydrating as well. And this is in the shade 420, and it does come with a pump. I'm just going to pump a few, well, not a few, because I pumped a lot of product out on the back of my hand. No, I do not use all this product on my face because a little does go a long way. But I'm just showing you guys the color and the consistency of this foundation up close. It does have golden yellow undertones. So applying this to my skin, and we're gonna go ahead and blend it out using the Precision Makeup Sponge. And this sponge is the best thing that I've ever used. I actually put down my 𝚤𝚤 beauty sponge for this because it was so soft. It was like booty soft, like baby booty soft. So I love this foundation because you guys can see that this foundation is very buttery. Okay, it's definitely a full coverage foundation. However, I wouldn't recommend this product to you for my oily girls. Like it says, it's hydrating, okay? So it's there to make your skin look very hydrating. I know I couldn't use this for the summer because I have very oily skin in the summer, but for the winter, this is definitely gonna be my go-to foundation. Just look at it, you guys. You see how I'm looking very dewy, very radiant, and very glowy, and this is just with the primer and the foundation, and I'm looking like this is skin. It's making me look like I have a filter on, but yet very like a natural filter, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face before I add my concealer. And let me tell you guys about this concealer. I'm so freaking in love. The consistency with this concealer is just so freaking amazing. It's very creamy and it's thick. And I love it because I know it's gonna give me that full coverage that I'm needing. Also, it's very easy to blend out. Let me tell you that, because you know some concealers are thick and then it's hard and it starts patching up on you, but this concealer does not do that. It blended very well into the foundation, and I love the sponge that it comes with because it just makes your makeup look very airbrushed, and that's just the type of vibes I'm going for. So I did go ahead and use the MAC 24 Hour Smooth Concealer to contour with. I thought I had one of the matchsticks to contour with, but I actually misplaced it. So this was a good thing to do as well, because I wanted to see if Fenty could work with other makeup companies, and I feel like this blended out very, very well. I didn't have any problems with it not working well with other companies, so that is good to know that we're able to use it with other makeup companies. Alright guys, next we're going in with the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This is in the shade Honey, and let me tell you, honey, when I put this on, you guys, I was just amazed, because before my eyes, it just melted into my skin. It was just like, y'all gonna see my face in a few minutes. I just couldn't believe what I was seeing. Now, I don't bake anymore. I don't think a lot of people bake anymore. We just press the powder into my skin. But y'all, I was really feeling myself in that clip, because this powder just does wonders. Like, it just adds that, I don't know, I'm just getting filter vibes. Okay, you guys know how you want to look like your Snapchat filters. Get these products, I'm telling you, you're gonna feel like a walking Snapchat filter. This powder is just amazing. It's not too drying. It definitely coincides with the Hydrating Primer, Concealer, and Foundation that I use. So it's weird how it all works together. It still looks very, very natural as well, because you know sometimes the setting powder can make your face look a little bit cakey, but not this one. So now we're going in with some bronzer, and this is in the shade Coco Naughty, I believe. If I'm not right, please check the description section below. All the products will be there. I love bronzer, y'all. I'm obsessed with bronzer. Y'all know I don't really use brush like that. I do use contouring shades, but bronzer is one of my favorite steps. Ew, I say it like that. Steps in my makeup routine. I love to bronze. I love that this was very, very pigmented. A little goes a long way. As far as the foundation as well, I don't know if I said that. A little goes a long way. You do not need a lot at all. So, next we're going to set our face again. I OD on setting spray, y'all. I really do. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and take the Precision Makeup Sponge and, you know, fix up my nose a little bit. I love the way it's designed, because it helps me create those nice, sharp, clean, crisp lines for my nose contouring, and also to give me that chiseled effect when it comes down to my jawline. The way the beauty blender or the precision sponge is created, it helps me, you know, do all of this. I'd be struggling, y'all, under here. I'd be messing up, but the way it's designed, it gives me that sharp edge, that line that I'm looking for. Alright guys, so we're going in with Fenty Beauty, the Moroccan Spice palette. And this palette is so freaking beautiful. The colors are amazing. You can do a lot of creations with this. There's like, you can do fall vibes. You can do very, very colorful vibes. There's summer. They're warm. It's a lot of things you can do with this palette. I love how very, very versatile it is. Now with the shades, I was just, I don't know. I don't know. I didn't know how to feel about it, because I'm like, they look pretty, but they look like, I don't know what I was thinking. But once I put them on my eyelids, I was amazed, y'all. I don't have any eyelid primer on. I just used the concealer. And these shades are showing up very, very pigmented. And I'm super, super impressed with these colors. I didn't get a lot of fallout on my face. I got a little bit of fallout in the palette. I guess it's the way the palette is designed. You'll have more fallout in the palette than you actually do when it comes to it, you know, applying the product to your eyes. The colors have been blended out very, very well within one another. It wasn't any like sparse areas where certain where the shadows were picking up on one side of my eye and not blending well with the other, if that makes sense. Everything was just amazing. The shadows were very, very buttery as well. And I don't think I ever, no, there's some companies out here, but it was just amazing to see like the colors just blend. Like, it was effortlessly. Like, I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to like my eyeshadows, but it just made it very, very easy. It was like, sis. So I'm setting my cut crease with the honey powder. And then I'm going to go in with the glittery shades. The glitter shades were amazing as well. I did spray my brush with the all nighting setting spray. And it wasn't like, you know, some glitter shades, it's just like glitter falling out all over the place. The glitter stayed on my eyelid and it was just very, very smooth. And it was just looking very silky and elegant. And it was just giving me like luxury vibes. So really, really was feeling those glittery eye shades. And they were very, very pigmented. I was actually going for my backdrop. I was inspired by that, trying to create an eye look using my backdrop. I think I came somewhere near close, or maybe not at all. But yeah, I'm just dusting away the rest of the powder. I only really bake when it comes to my nose and my jawline because I just like that to look very, very precise. Alright, so now we're going in with the Matchstick Shimmer in the shade Rum, and we're using Morphe M501 to create my highlight. And I had this shimmer stick for a minute since, you know, the first launch, and y'all, I forgot I had it and I forgot how bomb it was, you know. So I just, you know, spreaded it on my face under there, and then I took the Morphe brush and just blended it out. And I did spray my brush as well with setting spray, and it just had my highlighter popping. Lastly, we're going in with my favorite lip gloss. This is I think it's called Milk Bomb or something like that. Not sure, but sis, this just makes your lips look very, very milky. It has like glitter in it as well, so it just makes your lips look very, very seductive. It just makes them look good. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Check the description section below for all details. See you guys later.